Today ay flea market day. Ako lang mag-isa dahil tulog pa ang mga bagets. So ako ang magdadrive. Gamitin natin yung sakyan ni Master Mac. Ay, good luck. Hirap pa naman i-drive nito. Ang laki-laki. Flea market dito guys. Yun yung palengke nila. Tapos every weekend lang siya meron. Kasi sa grocery, mahal yung mga gulay. Medyo mas mura sa flea market.
In 500 meters, turn right onto West Santa Monica Avenue.
Pinabahan ako din sa'yo. Oh, yay! Nakarating ako mag-isa. Achievement yarn. Maghiwalay na lang ng magaan. Honesta. Okay, let's go. May shuttle pala dito. Ayun o. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung shuttle. Ito ang itsura ng flea market dito, guys. Tcharan! Ito yung pinakapalengke nila. Oh. Ito, ay may payo. Ayun, may payo. Ang flea market. Pinipilahan dito palagi yan, yung taho. Kasi sila lang ata yung nagtitinda ng taho dito. You know, $3.05. Magkano yun? $6 times 57. Kaya na lang mag-math. Ito nagtitinda ng taho. Ano. Wala pa rin kalamansi today. Ay, still no kalamansi?
Oh, here.
How much? Expensive again, ha?
Okay, $3. That's regular price.
$3. You're smiling. 2 for 5.
Oh, cannot. No more. I don't have that one.
You know what Soki means? It's a regular customer. I'm your Soki. It should be 3 for 5.
No, I can use this one for discount.
2 for 5.
I don't have that one.
This one?
Yeah, I don't have that one.
Just $3. How many each plastic?
It's like a 12 or 13.
I'm lucky if I got the 13.
Yeah, I missed.
No, I like the one that are not too ripe.
No good. I choose out.
Ah,
Choose
no
the
good.
one. I choose the good one.
Oh, I'll get 2.
Yeah, no more color.
Next time it should be 2 for 5.
You get this one. Get some kamote.
I have kamote tops at home. Just
You
this.
have a channel?
No, I'm just starting. Just trying. But they don't really go on YouTube.
No, like
I'm too lazy to upload.
Even this morning, the Korean YouTuber tried to take a video of me and tell me to smile.
Ah, really? You're
I say, why?
famous.
You should go find some other.
You're famous, ah?
Yeah.
Ang palaya pa. Talong. Ayan, bibiling pakwan. Mabigat. How much for the tomatoes? Kamatis. Even the green ones, all the same price. Kamatis is life kasi sa bahay. Saan tayo bumili? Hanap tayo ng red onion. Mga ganyan din dito. So, nagtitinda naman ng isda. Ayan. Yung ano po yung kulay green. Saan na nabili yung tatay yung gabano niya? Mga ukal. Ang dami ditong mga Korean street food. Oh, wala masyado. masyadong tao. Dito lagi madami kumakain. Yeah. Oh, there's still pork. Pork. Yeah. Just pork too. 2 orders. So I 3 for $5. Say hi.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah. Sarap yung lumpia ni tatay.
Already 2 order?
Yeah, 2 order. Can you give me extra
Sauce.
sauce? Yeah.
Okay.
Vinegar. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ito mabait. Nagtitindang to. Tayo ang talong. Ito pala eh. New ones. This one. How much for this cigarillas?
$4 for you. Extra $5, $4 for you.
$4?
Yes. Everybody $5.
Oh.
Only 7 pieces $2. Look at there. Yeah, 7 pieces $2.
Oh. Expensive vegetables. Red onions.
I have my sister come inside.
Inside.
Come inside.
Only 4 left?
I bring 50 pounds. That's all left.
Ganyan, oh. Apple. Look. No, it's onion. Okay. Thank you po.
What else do you have?
5. And this one po.
The radish.
Eggplant. Okay.
$12.
$12 at home po.
12, 13, 14, 15, 20. And this is oil.
Yes. Thank you po.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Tayo dito. Ito ang aking mga pinili. Chirin. Mila akong pakwan. Punta tayo dun sa isang flea market. Andun yung suki namin ni Mac ng tuna. Papabili siya ng tuna. Mahal ng patupat dito. $1.25. Magkano yung $1.25? 50. Parang halos 80 pesos isa. Sarap yung lumpia nila. Hindi siya katulad ng lumpia. Init! May pansit siya sa loob. Nakita. Basta may pansit siya sa loob. Bilhin ako ng patupan at suman. $3 yung suman. Go sa go! Bilhin tayong tuna. Sa isa pang flea market. Ito yata yung unang-unang flea market. Bibili tayo ng tuna. Ay, wala yata si Tatay Card. Si Nanay lang ang nandyan. Ay, wala nanay. Wow! Kala ko wala na. Opo, tuna po. Meron pa pong buo, yung maliit lang. Yan na yung pinakamaliit. 25? Sige, pwede na po yun. Pwede pong palinis. Tulog si tatay, tulog. Buti na lang meron.
Pinasok ko ta masasayang yung ice.
Oo nga po, ulan-ulan eh.
Pagkakuan na.
Gamit mo lang yung privilege ng libreng dito. May rason kang
bahay. Successful ang pamamalengking mag-isa.